Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the newer generation trucks, one of the trends that you might have seen in the industry that you are kind of surprised about is that they've gotten rid of the dome lights. On the ceiling of your truck, the lights are now dim, kind of projector style focused in particular areas, kind of on your lap where you might be reading or something like that. And it's not really good. I don't enjoy it at all, especially in a truck when I'm looking for stuff and it's dark like tonight, as I'm going to be showing you. A really nifty solution for this is bringing back that dome light. And Boost Auto Parts has sent me a replacement for the whole fixture. Super easy install. You just pop it out, same wiring harness, pop it back in. So let's take a look at it, and I picked a nice dark night here to really let you see what it can do. So let's get right into it. I'm excited about this video. This is Truck Ownership 101. I'm Spencer Elbelbach. Class is now in session. All right, first, full disclosure, they did send this to me for free, so, but that is it. They're not going to see this video until you guys can see this video, so it is my unbiased opinion on the product. So if you do find this video helpful to help you make a decision on if this is something you want to spend your money on, I'd really appreciate it if you just like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel. It'd be fantastic. I got lots of content in the back and coming forward here that I hope you'll enjoy. So if you could do that, that'd be the best way to say thank you. So let's get into it. Taking a look at what we've got here. Boost Auto Parts rear interior LED dome light. This one's for the 2019 or newer Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierra trucks. And it's, again, the installation, they have a really nice video on how to install these, and it's very, very simple. I actually have it installed in my truck right now, but I'll just pop this open to show you what the factory one was like. I'm sure you're all familiar. So it's got a single LED. You can kind of see that there, and it's like projector style, really focused, and like I said, one LED, it's pretty dim. And what they have done is, as you can see from the box, made that area a lot bigger, and they, instead of had 2 LEDs, they have 36 inside there, and it's a diffused white instead of the clear. So again, it's just meant to get really good light coverage in every direction from here, and listen, a lot more light, a lot brighter. Installation, removal, super simple. They have a great video that just shows you how to do it in a couple of minutes. But I just thought it'd be really handy to show you what this looks like before you get started, so you know what you're getting into. Again, this is the factory one, how to remove it. These are just pressure friction style clips that can pull straight out, and that goes into some metal. And the other part that gets a little tricky, they show you how to twist and yank these things out, but I just thought I'd show you these little tabs on the outsides here. You can kind of see that one right there. They are grabbing kind of into that ceiling carpet, and they really hold. So there's a little bit of a compress those, twist, and then it pops out once you get these top ones out. So it's kind of a pull those out, give that a twist pull. Just watch the video, but I thought just showing you this before, so you can kind of see what you're trying to press and where they're located, I figured that might help you. I've got some B-roll footage of me taking this out, swapping the other one in. A really nice thing that Boost Auto Parts also did is using the factory harnesses. Again, they just replaced the whole fixture. You're not screwing around trying to pull light bulbs out, trying to change things inside their fixture. They just said, nope, give you a whole new one. Use the factory wiring harness, same pins, same everything set up. So that is super convenient. So what you're paying for is not just the performance and the extra light and everything, but just a nice look and super easy install. I love not having to splice wires and tap into stuff. That's really nice. So let's actually take a look at the finished product that's installed in my truck right now. I'm going to I want to show you how like everything works factory. So I'm going to open this up and show like the lights like slowly fading in. Like, there you go. And it's at night and my camera is probably going to like really saturate the light. So I'll show you some comparisons here, but this is obviously very, very bright, and it obviously illuminates the back really well. If that's what you're interested in, is just rear illumination for whatever you're working on. Again, my kids are going to love it back here, so they actually can see what they're doing. and it's very, very bright. But what I was most interested in is when they sent this to me was, sure, it's going to light the back area, but based on its location, am I going to get some decent improved lighting up front? And I certainly do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover these up because I got my door open. They're not going to turn off. But if I cover this up, you can see the factory lighting. Now, again, my camera is probably making this look pretty bright. You know how bright your front little dim lights are, that single bulb coming from that stock fixture. But again, very targeted projector style dim. Now watch what happens when I move my hand. Like that, like even the floor, like if I drop something down there, like I've got light now. That is a game changer. That is so nice. Like it's, again, it's that classic dome light that you're used to, and you still have all the functionality as far as being able to turn these off individually or turn them on individually. That's all still there, and yet I've got so much light. This is fantastic. Again, the before and after is awesome. Again, like it would just be a projector beam here and here, that would be it. And now I've got full illumination on the floor. If the kids drop something, or if I'm looking for something, same thing up there, the center console, you know, everything up there. I'm rambling. This is great. But if I close that, again, I just kind of wanted to show all the factory features still work great with that. Can't recommend it enough. It's a great looking product. It looks factory. It honestly now functions the way it should have from the factory, in my opinion. So if you're interested, I'll have some links in the description of the video, pin the top comment, and get you guys where you need to go quick. I also had them send me their fog light mod. If you follow my channel, you'll know that on a previous truck, I wanted my fog lights to be on whenever my headlights were on. I just thought it was a good look, to be honest. Fog lights on these with the LEDs are more of an accessory kind of light fixture anyway. They don't do a whole lot in the fog, in my opinion, but I think they look really cool just driving down the highway to have those little accent lighting there. So I wanted them on whenever my just regular low beam lights are on. So they have this really slick little wiring tap harness that you just connect two wires together kind of by your feet, and you never have to press that fog light button again if you like running your fog lights. So highly recommend that too. And that is it. So again, let me know in the comments section what you think. If this is a mod you'd be interested in doing, super easy. As far as if this is your first one, electronics, that kind of stuff, they don't get much easier than this one. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, like, comment, subscribe, all those kind of things help promote the channel and everything. So yeah, I'll have some more content coming. So make sure you hit all those buttons. Until next time, class dismissed.